The manufacturing industry is changing at a breathtaking pace. More than ever before, it's the customer who determines how manufacturing companies produce their goods. Being able to make decisions at the right time is crucial to remaining successful. Innovation and digitalization play a key role in this. This is Jasper. He's the COO of a large manufacturing company with an aging workforce. Thanks to a smart cloud solution, he's able to retain knowledge for his organization. The data from every process are stored in a single user-friendly system. This allows him to focus on making the right strategic decisions. Ronald also receives intelligent support. As a planner, he has to deal with ever smaller production series. Because he can view all the data in real time from a single screen, he knows exactly where he stands. This gives him more time to optimize the production process. As sales manager, Dunya also has a full understanding of her customers. When an order changes, she can see it straight away. She can then immediately share that information with Ronald. In this way, they can make joint decisions at the right time. Thanks to Ctac's intelligent solution package, Jasper, Ronald and Dunya are able to respond directly to changes in their industry. They're ready to face the challenges of the future. Would you like to make yourself permanently future-proof? S/4HANA Cloud from Ctac provides the solution. Curious? Find out more at